Wow, look at the huge bowl of tom yum. So much seafood.
โมอ่ะเขาเปิดร้านแล้วก็เข้าไม่ได้ค่ะพรุ่งนี้มาได้ไหมได้พรุ่งนี้ก็ได้พี่เพราะว่าหนูก็กลัวไม่ถูก
Oh, it's so heavy. Wow, look at all the broth. And a huge prawns here. And I believe this is the crab egg. Sorry, is this crab egg? Egg? What is it?
prawn
Oh, I'm so excited to try this out. Okay, so this is a tom yum version. Tom yum noodles with massive prawn. Take a look. So huge. And there are very soft fish, squid, and your instant noodles. And what is this? I have no idea. Maybe it's some egg. Let's taste the soup. It's actually very nice. It's very creamy soup. I think they added some milk or coconut milk. Very fragrant. It has a slight sweet aftertaste. Very nice. Now the entire restaurant is full. It's a bit spicy. Mussels. Really good. Love it. The fish is fresh, soft, and it just falls off your mouth. And another mussels. Bit small, but love it. Oh, it's so juicy. It's very hot. Just be careful. I love the prawn. It's huge, meaty, and fresh. Let's order one more thing. Hi,
yes
one.
soup noodle
Noodle, this one.
okay soup and no soup
No soup.
soup
So we ordered the dry tom yum version. The soup is separate, but we'll keep the previous soup from the previous meal because I like the soup base. So this is dry tom yum, minced pork with eggs, and peanuts and bean sprout, kway teow inside. You can actually choose your type of noodles that you like. There's kway teow, Maggi mee, and spinach noodles. Yeah. Let's try the minced pork. It's very soft. Not much seasoning to it, not much salt, no pepper at all. So I believe you have to mix it with the other dishes to get the flavor out. Sour and spicy at the same time, and there's some sugar as well. I don't take the peanuts because I'm allergic to the nuts. Not bad, that's nice. But I absolutely recommend the tom yum here. The soup base with the seafood. They added some lime into the soup base. Let's take some soup from the previous one because I like the soup a lot. Order the tom yum soup, it's nicer. This soup is just some clear MSG soup. Yeah, nothing special for this. I really recommend you guys coming here, but come early, otherwise you are gonna have to queue. Right now it's 12 noon. It's full house already. Come in at maybe before 11:30. That's how I got my seat at 11:30. Okay, let's go. So the weather is so hot. We are just taking a break a while, have some drink. There's lots of like a mini drink store around. You can choose those with air condition or those without. I usually choose those with air condition so you can take refuge and cool yourself down. Cold beverage. Love it. If you guys are looking for a cheap place for drinks and dessert, you can check out this cafe. They are air conditioned, provides power outlets and Wi-Fi. The lady boss is super friendly and I ordered 2 drinks with them throughout my 2-hour stay with them. Thank you for watching my videos. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.